Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our mission today to revise lesson 2-8, solving proportions and similar figures. And I will start with question number 2. The figures in each pair are similar. Pay attention here, my boy. Similar means the definition of similar, same shape, see, same shape, both of them have the same shape, but with different size. We have a small one and we have big one. Okay, this is the similar. And similar give me also something called corresponding sides, corresponding angles. And because of that, they ask me, where is or identify the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles. Let us find out where is the corresponding sides and how we can write their corresponding sides. See, this side AB has the same position of this, yes? So we write them one over each other. So I can write AB over DE, or the opposite is correct. So AB over DE. So this side coming from here and this side coming from here, my dear student. Great. Now the second side, the order doesn't matter, yes. AC over DF, or corresponding with DF. So this quantity or this ratio must equal AC over DF. Okay, so AC and DF are corresponding. Okay, my dear student. Great boy. Now the last corresponding side is, see, it is BC, this side with this side. Okay, so we take this with this, and we take this with this, and the last one is BC, yes, over EF. BC over EF. Now, in this way, I write the corresponding sides. It is easy, yes? Good, isn't it? Nice. Now, I finish from a corresponding side, my dear student. But don't forget to write the corresponding angles. How, teacher? Is it hard? No, it's not hard. See, my boy. See, and work. So this angle B corresponding with this one. How I can write? I can write like this. The angle A. Sorry, this is B. The angle B. Sorry, this is A again. Sorry. The angle B corresponding or congruent with the angle E. So the angle E here, or B, sorry, is not clear, and the E are the same, have the same measurement. Okay? So we said the angle B corresponding to angle E. That means they are equal. Don't tell anyone. And as you see, the angle A corresponding with D. Yes? So what we write? We write the angle A, it is equivalent or congruent with the angle D. That means this angle and this angle are equal. But teacher, they are a different size. Even so, they are equal. The angles equal. The side different. Okay, but the angles must equal if the shapes are similar. This is a rule. So when the shapes are similar, that means the angles matching between them. Both in this in this shape and that shape. Okay, for example, as you see here, I said B equal E, the angle of B, the measurement of angle B equal the measurement of angle of E, and the measurement of A equal the measurement of D, and the measurement of C equal the measurement angle of F. And how we write it? Yes, bravo. The angle C, you see this sign, my boy? It is congruent, means equal. Okay? Okay? So the angle C congruent equal and curly line equal or congruent with angle this one, which is F. Okay? The angle F. Okay, my dear student, this is the first and this is the second one, and this is the third angles, corresponding angles. Okay, I hope you got my point. So again and again, no, not I will not repeat now. I will move to question number, yes, I'm still in question number 2, part 2. Here, give me the congruent sides first, this with this. Yes, so you write, great, FG over KL, that means corresponding with KL. And what else? Who can tell me? Yes, you can select any two corresponding. I can take this, but with a different color to make the life beautiful. So GH with LM, yes, GH with LM. Okay, the third one, hurry up. Yes, Fi with Kn, great. Fi with Kn, corresponding with Kn, and the last corresponding sides, you say it like this. Remember that. IH corresponding with N or NM. So IH corresponding with NM. So we have 4 corresponding sides, yes, and the ratios are equal. If you divide FG over the length of the FG divided the length of the KL, you get the same amount if you divide GH over LM or FI over KN or IH over NM. Okay, my boys? Now, don't forget to find out the angles. He asked me about the angles, yes. So, who can tell me? Yes, the angle F corresponding angle K. That means the measurement of F congruent equal and curly line congruent with K. So, both of them are equal. Give me 2 more, yes, or 3 more, yes. The angle J here corresponding to angle L. But how we write it? See, the angle, this is the symbol of the angle G, congruent equal, that means congruent equal, okay, my boys? The angle L. That means they are equal. And you can continue and continue, okay? I will not take a long. Okay, don't worry, I will complete. The angle I congruent with the angle N. So I write the angle I equal and curly line congruent. This is the word that I said. Congruent means equal, okay? Okay, the angle I congruent with N, with the angle or corresponding with N. Okay, that means both of them are congruent. And the last one is H corresponding to M. The angle H corresponding, see, with the angle M. Okay, my boys, I hope it's clear. So now we identified the corresponding sides and angles. Now, why we find the corresponding angles, or sorry, sides or angles? See, we can use the corresponding side to find the missing side. See, in question 3, the figures in each pair are similar. Similar mean corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Good. Find the value of D. Yes, I can use the corresponding. Corresponding means if I divide this by this, it must equal this over this. Okay, directly. D over 9. Let me tell you something. I start from here to here. I'm start from here to here. So from small to big, keep moving in from small to big. So I will write D plus 9. I'm here, my dear student, over this amount, which is 4D plus 1. Okay, so again, D plus 9 over 4D plus 1 must equal 2 over 3. Yes, it is easy. Okay, but don't tell me like this. D over plus 9 over 4D plus 1 equal 3 over 2. Okay, it is not correct. Be careful. Now this equal 2 over 3. So my boy, if you're moving in this from small to big, continue and moving from small to big in the other sides. Okay, don't inverse the direction. Okay, keep moving in the same direction, my boys. Now, how we solve this proportion? All my students know that we do the cross multiplication. Now, this is the left side and this is the right side. So I will multiply 3 by D, this 3 by D and 3 by 9. It is equal, yes, great, 3D plus 27. And I will multiply 2 by 4D and 2 by 1. It will be 8D plus 2. Now I will move the 3D to the 8D. It is the same. Okay, I agreed with my student to collect all the letters or variables in the left side, the yellow side. Okay, don't angry from me, but this is my agreement with my student. I will keep the agreement with them. So the 3D, it's come. It is stay here and waiting then negative 8D. And regarding to the right side, I will I have 2 here and receive the negative 27 from the left side. Now this is negative 5D and this is negative 25, and the equal between them, and this is the left and this is the right. So divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, so the D must equal 5. We don't finish, remember that. Now D equal 5, that means this side it is D plus 9, that means 5 plus 9 equal 14. So this is 14. And here 4 multiply 5 plus 1, it is 20 plus 1 equal 21. So it is here 21. I find the missing side, it is 21. Okay, now let us do part B. So we use the corresponding sides. So this side corresponding with this side. That's mean 18 over 9. Teacher, can I divide 9 by 18? Yes, you can. You can't start from small to big or big to small. It is up to you. Okay, so I start from big to small, so I have to keep working and from left side from big to small. Okay, now so d over 3, it is equal d over 3. So I erase this, okay, and start over from here. Now cross multiplication, so this cross multiplication, and before I do this I draw the left and the right side. This is the left and this is the right. You can get any product, you can put any product in any side, the yellow side or the green side. So 9d equal 3 multiply 18 equal 54, and divide by 9, so d must equal 6. So the missing side is here is 6. Okay, so d equal 6. Okay, my boy or my boys. Okay, this is about 2-8. This is part 1. I have another part. I will explain it later, inshallah, after this video, inshallah. Goodbye and see you in the next video.